Hi everybody, this is the another day and this is Sandrey. So if you're new here, continue subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And also if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like, just dislike it. And we will now go to our main topic. Our main topic for today is to how to put pictures on Clipboard without any using app on Oppo, Vivo, Realme, and other phones. So we will now go to our shortcuts. Sorry for the something noise in my background. Just swipe down your screen like that, and just if you search some apps like apps like Facebook, like that, YouTube, KineMaster, videos, and etc. So see this Google, like right here, yeah, this GIF, fast notepad, settings, and voice records. Click the settings, and then if you see those languages, preferences, theme, text corrections, glide typing, voice typing, dictionary, search, share, Gboard, advanced writers. So if you saw that, just click the theme right here, theme. And then if you want to change your color of your clipboard, just click some colors like that in colors, and if you want white, just white, and apply it, and we're going to check it. So our clipboard now, the color of our clipboard is color white. So now if you want to put pictures, just go again, and then click this plus button on my themes. Then we're going to find some pictures, like let's say this is example of picture like that. So drag your pic and move on a place that you are comfortable. And next, and then if you want the adjust brightness, so if you want 100%, your high in brightness, and also if you just zero, no pictures. So I just doing just 50% to just, yeah, like that, 50%. Then if you done, just click done. And then if you done, also click this apply, like that. And if you are going to check this, just swipe down and look at our Gboard photo or theme. So just it's simple like that. And also you can on Messenger like that, this Messenger, if you type, and our clipboard is had a theme now. And this is our end of our tutorial. And also if you like this video, again, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And again, this is the day of Sandrey tutorial, and see you soon on our next video. Comment below what are the tutorials, what we're going to make a video. So bye bye.